Hey guys, welcome to yet another unboxing on our channel. Here's the Flipkart package, and I purchased this product in the recent Independence Day sale. Let's open it and check what the product is about. It's a very good packaging by Flipkart, and you'd be able to see the product safely wrapped inside the bubble wrap. It's an Asus 5G mobile phone, and the variant which I have purchased is a midnight blue variant, which has 128 GB of onboard storage with 6 GB of RAM. It also comes in Meteor Silver, which is of 64 GB or 128 GB or 256 GB with 6 GB and 8 GB RAM options. Let's cut open the plastic cover and get through the product. It's a flagship mobile of Asus, which is a direct competitor for Oneplus 6 mobile. Let's have a small overview of the box. Here's the Zenfone 5G branding, which says 4G VoLTE enabled, and their caption says "We love photo." Seems like this is a photo-centric mobile, which we'll be having checked. Let us try opening the box and check the complete contents within it. It's a very well packed mobile. Here's the document section. Let's try opening it. There I can see this image ejector tool. Let's open it. It has the Asus branding over it. And here are the complete booklets and also the warranty information details. Let's try opening it. There's also a case which is pre-included. It's a transparent case of good quality. Let's check what else is there in the manufacturing box. You can see the basic stickers for the IMEI numbers of the mobile phone. Let's try checking what else is there in the box. And here is the mobile itself. Let's try peel opening the cover. Already the phone seems very shiny and glossy, and you'd be able to see the fingerprints already. It's a slippery mobile, but looks very premium. Let's try powering it on. Yes, it's powering on. Let us now check what else is there in the manufacturing box. Would like to give Asus 10 out of 10 on the packaging. And here are the accessories, which are in white. Here's the Type C to Type A cable. Here's the charging brick, which also comes along with the adapter. Let us try peel opening the cover. Here's the charger. Let's try connecting the cable. It seems to be a very good quality charger. It is a fast charger of version 3.0. And here's the adapter which I was talking about. Here is the high resolution audio in-ear earphones, and you'd be able to see the gold plated 3.5mm jack. And it is good to see that Asus have included the earphones. You'd be able to see the ear tips, and there's a single button which is very tactile. And here are the additional ear tips which you would be able to use depending upon your ear size. Let us now try connecting the adapter which was provided along with the manufacturing box. This is the universal charging brick, for which the adapter would change depending upon the location where you purchased the product. And this is how it would look. It's a 2-pin charger, and this charger is of 18 watt which produces 2 amperes of power. And these are all the contents. Asus have priced this product very aggressively to take on the Oneplus 6 mobile. Here's the gorgeous IPS Full HD Plus display which is very vibrant with the notch. Here's the glass back. You can see the light reflections on the glass panel, and Asus calls it as a Zen pattern, and the design is very elegant. As you see, there is the 3.5mm jack, USB-C port and the speaker. On the right side of the mobile, you would be able to find the power button, volume rocker, which are very tactile. On the left side, we would be able to find the SIM card tray. Let's try ejecting it. On this mobile, we would be able to use dual 4G SIMs, which is VoLTE enabled, or we would be able to use a single 4G SIM along with a memory card which can be expandable up to 2 TB. Let us try opening the sticker which was applied on the back side of the mobile. On the back side, you can see the fingerprint sensor which is very responsive. This device is powered by Snapdragon 845 octa-core with AI engine and a graphics of Adreno 630. Here's the transparent TPU case which was provided in the manufacturing box. Let us check how it would look over the mobile. It looks very compact and safe. This device has 550 nits, which is very bright under the outdoor conditions, and this device is powered along with 3300 mAh battery, which is AI enabled. Here's the dual camera setup with primary 12MP camera and secondary 8MP with a flagship Sony sensor. Let's check few samples captured on this mobile. Asus have to improve on the electronic image stabilization on the future updates. Here are the few samples with and without the EIS. This device has 5 magnetic speakers and a dual smart amp, and the earpiece acts as the secondary speaker. Here's the few samples.
Gotta be real with it. Yeah. Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. KB, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. Could've known me is really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of.
Got this variant for 16,999 including the offers, and you can check the description for more. Please do like, comment and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.